Part 4, AGC, Solving a Calculus Problem.
Rob, what we would like to do now is to do a very simple calculus problem. And I want you to illustrate how you would handle the derivative of a parabola. So would you just show us the steps that you would do?
Sure. So right now we're working on the parabola x squared like we were earlier in my demonstration. To plot the derivative, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to browse over to the plot tab page to change a setting for derivative.
Calculator, source, plot data set 1.
And right now my source is data set 1. That's fine. I want to
Plot data derivative.
So plotting the data derivative is clear. I'll check it, and now if I check it or review it, I guess it's now saying the derivative is checked. If I return to data set 1,
expression 1, x exponent 2.
Just hit enter to plot that. And for the sighted folks, you'll see now I have a straight line of 2x across the screen. And if I want to emboss this, now I can emboss this just like I did earlier to the tiger, and now it'll emboss the straight line that we see on the screen, and I can compare that with the earlier value and get a feel for what the derivative, what the physical behavior of a derivative is.
Would you do that, please?
Sure, no problem.
Tell us what you're doing.
Desktop 3320 series.
Sure, I just hit Control P to go to print, and
Printers list.
HP
Desktop 3000.
just going to select my Macs from my printer. The printer list that these are all the printers that Windows has. So I'm just doing some page orientation.
Portraits mode.
Oh, why is this thing doing that to me? Let's see.
Zero.
And I'm just doing some things to fit it to my page. That's a little too high.
9.
And another thing I can do is I can change my font from a print font for like an ink printer to a Braille font and use computer Braille. So I'm just going to do that here.
Font size list 1230.
And then I'll print it off.
Button, expression 1, x exponent 2.
And that's it.
The Tiger Max creates the graph or the equation, which is a straight line.